Splash.
If you reach for it, you should be able to get to it.
Yeah.
I can? Yeah, just reach.
Whoa! James! Gators!
Oh, shit!
What is up, fam? Welcome back to another adventure. I'm here with my boy Omar from OmarGoshTV and my boy Brian. Check out his links down below. Guys, right now we're at Gatorland and we're getting ready to get real. Let's go. See you guys. Hey, holy shit! Ah! Oh, bro, this one's coming right for us, bro. Yeah. Freaking alligator's looking at me. You ready to do it?
I don't know, brother. I don't know.
He's doing it, man.
I'm gonna go up, but I'm not sure I'm doing it. But, bro, do it, man.
You got this.
I might. You got it.
No, if I go, you're not going. I know you're not going. No. I know if I go, he ain't going. There's no way.
Gosh. I swear to gosh, I'll make it up to you, man. I'll do something crazy tonight. I mean, I will literally do something that people are like,
oh, I believe it.
Ass.
I believe it.
But this isn't it.
I think you're gonna push it. Wish me luck, bro.
Dude, you got this.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
You got them.
2. All right, let's go. See you guys. Hey, holy shit! Ah! Holy shit! I'm going fast. Yeah. Oh,
I got you, man.
Coming in with some speed.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
All right, you're up, Brian.
All right, here we go. Put this on your back. Make sure you don't go anywhere on me.
Cool.
There we go. If you want to step forward a tiny bit, just right there.
Oh, step forward.
Yeah.
I guess forward is not backwards.
It's all good, man.
Good, eh?
James, eh?
Is this a nice conclusion to your USA trip?
He's right proper.
It's right proper. That's what that was exactly the words I was thinking. It was right proper.
I would say it's right proper.
Right proper.
Yes. Encourage right proper too.
So
Got you.
alrighty. We're gonna turn you around.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready, man.
Alrighty, go
Ready?
for it.
See ya. Oh God, this is scary going backwards. Scary going backwards. My feet just touch the tree. Okay, backwards. Holy shit! I wasn't ready for that. Okay, backwards is a lot scarier. I'm gonna tell you right now. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Oh, I see him. Watch out! I have to.
Yeah, go for it, man.
Sorry, hold on here is good.
Yep.
Oh God, not again.
Here you go, man.
Oh God. Oh, my ass. Got my ass banging on the bottom. Oh, great. Okay, that's way too fast. Way too motherfucking fast. Okay. Oh yeah. Make sure my shoes are tied. Guys, look what they got me into. I thought I was ziplining. I didn't know I was gonna walk the freaking plank over here. Hey down there. I'll be down there. Hopefully not sooner than later.
Alright, man. I'm gonna take points. We got 3. This is give you 4, 5. Sorry, hurt your shoulder. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Safety first.
You want to hold on to this orange cables right here, man? You're good to go.
Wait, I gotta hold on to what?
Right here. If you need to hold on to anything.
Alright, so you either.
You don't need to hold on.
Yeah.
So you don't hold on to this.
Nope. This is a lot more sturdy.
Oh man.
It'll get better as you get right down there. Yeah.
Oh shh.
You can take it inch by inch, man.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hey, this ain't too bad actually. Yeah. Hey Brian.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Nice meeting you, my friend.
See ya, dude.
Hope I don't know about this one, man. This thing moves a little too much. Hey, what happens if I fall off the side?
I'll come and help.
Okay. Oh, that's a little creaky. Okay. Okay. Missing a step there. I saw it. All right, let me try to balance on here for a second. And guys, let me tell you something. One thing I didn't say. Okay, I'm moving now. Okay, I can move it now. All right, let me keep walking. Oh shit. Bro, this thing. Holy shit. Okay, so what I was about to say, guys. Yeah. I hope so. Bro, this thing really moves. What the hell? Are you guys like pushing it down there or something? They're pushing it up and down. I can feel it. Oh my gosh. All right, so what I was gonna say, guys, was I didn't tell them. Yo. That's great advice, man. Film when I get to the other side. Okay. So, again, what I was about to, holy shit. What I was about to say was, I don't even remember anymore. No, I am kind of afraid of walking on heights. The zip line was cool, but this isn't as cool. But guys, sometimes you have to face your fears. You just have to do it, and things work out most of the time, hopefully. Okay. Man, when does this thing end? Okay. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, yes.
How was it?
That was crazy. I was not expecting that. Guys, we had such a good time doing this. Shout out to Danielle and Corey for helping us out, making sure that we were safe, guys. Yay. Because if not, I wouldn't be filming this right now.
It's not over yet.
And that's not over yet? What do you mean it's not over yet?
One more sip.
Nuh-uh, for real? Yeah. Are you serious? Yeah. Just when I think it's over, it's still going on. I just like run off?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go backwards again. Okay.
Hello.
That was so much fun. Totally recommend doing that one day.
How was it, bro?
That was awesome, man.
Cool, man.
Gosh, you gotta try that one day. Checking out these gators. Oh gosh. Oh, I almost fell in. Omar, look at this. Oh, yeah.
Are you recording this?
Oh yeah. Edge right there with a GoPro.
That's living on the edge with Brian.
Yeah, it
This guy
is.
is fearless.
Except for heights.
Yeah, except for
This makes up for it though, right here.
This way makes up for it.
Jump down in there for you guys.
Gosh.
You guys are doing. Yeah. Crocodiles are swimming. They only really have to worry about we're bobbing in the crocodiles.
Bob. Bob. Up. Up, up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Up.
Oh yeah.
Up. Boss. Up. Let's see. Hey. Hey, buddy. Woo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, don't be grumpy.
You guys are very trusting of our carpenters.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's good. When I was like 9 years old, we came to Disney World, and on our way back, we actually stopped at Gatorland, guys. And I always remember it because it had like this 20-something foot alligator, and it was just amazing. And this is back in the 80s or the 90s, but this place has been around since 1949. Which means this place has been here since Disney World, since Universal Studios, any theme park. As a matter of fact, the very first ride in Orlando was the train ride right here at Gatorland, which I think is very interesting.
Wait till you guys smell the meat I brought.
I can smell it from here almost.
No,
oh, that's not yours?
That's nothing compared.
Oh no. Oh no.
Compared to the meat that I got in the back.
Oh gosh. Now, what is this area called we're going to?
We're going to the breeding marsh.
Okay, breeding marsh.
Don't you need a turn? Hey! Are we going in here?
What are you doing? I thought we were going inside the fence.
Oh shit! Well, we must do that. Look, go. You should see this.
How many gators are in this pond approximately?
130.
130. Wow.
100 females, 30 very happy males.
Oh, I bet they are. That's some
time of year.
that's some good numbers right there.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
We're gonna get in the water in another spot.
Boy, this must take a lot to feed these guys every day or every week or
Yeah, I mean, we go through, in the whole park, we go through about 150 tons of fish, chicken, and red meat a year.
How much?
150 tons.
Tons! Wow. That is quite a lot.
Yeah.
Now, what about like babies hatching in here? Does it happen from time to time?
We go in and we, when during nesting season happens, we go in and rob the nest. And the reason we do that is not because we're cruel, it's because we're trying to save the babies.
Oh, yeah.
They come out of the egg, they're like 6 inches long. Birds, raccoons, possums, other alligators, ants, snakes, everything eats them.
Oh, wow.
By us robbing the nest and incubating them in safety and hatching them out, nothing's going to eat them.
That's awesome. Whoa. What kind of owl is that?
Great horned owl.
Wow, great horned
She's
owl.
like, what are y'all doing in here?
That's a cool
It is
noise.
against the rules for you to be in here.
What the hell was that? Hey, so here's the train I was telling you guys about. This was the very first ride in all of Orlando. Okay, I wasn't in looking to right. Okay, this is the train, guys.
The Iron Horse.
Wow, that is so cool. Like, especially think about times before they even had like Disney World and like real rides, and this would be awesome to do. All right, guys, we're getting ready to actually go in with the gators. We're gonna probably do it 1 or 2 at a time, but this is where things get real right here, guys.
See the side?
Most people do not get to do this.
We're gonna ignore that.
What does it say? Whoa, okay. Let's hope they're not that hungry. You guys fed them before we came here, right? Negative. Oh, okay.
Gonna be pretty epic.
They are calling the gators over here right now, guys. I don't know how great of an idea this is, but we're about to find out.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
All those eyes over there.
Come on, guys.
Whoa. Give that one in front, another piece.
Yep.
All right, guys, we're gonna feed them. We're gonna get something that's in here, which I don't even know.
You're gonna feed them too?
Oh, yeah. You just throw it out there?
Yeah, right there at the side of the head.
Okay, that's a little bit hard.
Got it.
Damn!
No, just kidding.
Come on, guys.
I got a long piece of chicken, guys. Or, I don't think that's chicken, actually.
I think that's a piece of heart.
Oh, yes.
Watch yourself, Ryan. I'll get it.
Dang, Brian, you kind of brave there, man.
Should we turn off our light?
What the heck?
They just don't know what's going on. But they'll, if it's food, they'll come.
Wow.
I just don't want them to come up.
Holy crap. Holy. What the hell?
That's Jaws.
Why do they call them Jaws?
You're about to find out.
He has weird teeth.
Good job, bud. Good job, bud.
He's a high walker, so watch your step going back.
Watch it, James.
I got you.
Well, you got uneven ground behind you.
Whoa. Okay.
Let's back this up a little bit. Mike, can you pull
Whoa.
that stick back just a little bit?
I'm about to start running this thing.
Bro, he's coming too close.
Come on, bud.
Don't let him get the bucket.
Oh my gosh.
Good job.
Bro, I've never been so close to a gator this big.
Ready for that thumbnail?
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Oh, yeah! Good job!
Get over it!
What a clickbaiter.
Brian, here, I got him. I'll back him up. It's too late now. He got rewarded for that. Come on, bub. Back it up.
Come on, guys.
Let's see, where do I go to run? That way?
all the food.
Okay. Oh, he ain't got this one still.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Gosh.
Ah, you are such a little, you're a little monkey, you know?
Grab that green tub and get it out of the way.
Yeah, he
That was smart.
Hey.
Oh, crap.
What?
I don't know. They're getting real close.
Yeah. Is anybody else coming close?
Yeah.
We're running out of real
We'll make sure anybody knows sneaks up on me back here or something.
running out of real estate.
Golly.
Okay, go backwards.
Here, I got him.
Backwards, bud.
Come on, back it up.
Oh, he listens.
You
They're
made it.
trained pretty well.
Yeah.
Is that the big one that like tries to hog it all?
Actually, James, you want to get over here for a second?
Yeah.
Get behind me.
Okay.
Get behind me.
Guys, Brian wants me to get behind him. No, I'm just kidding.
Are you ready? Ready for this shot?
Yeah.
Your hand?
Footing, watch your footing.
Yep. Come on. Open up. Open up. Up, up, up.
Holy shit.
Go trip.
Here you go, bud. Here you go.
Hey, I'm gonna feed him one.
Yep, good.
See if he...
Is that a raccoon?
Go ahead, ready? Get his mouth open. There you go, bud. Up, 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 up. Up.
We need to get the ones that hold their heads
Get that
high.
stick out of there.
Raise your fucking head.
Just throw it over there behind you.
I'm gonna move over a little bit.
Out of the way, 'cause it's gonna ruin
Hey, Omar, don't stand behind me.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can just get him to pose.
Yeah.
Hey.
Easy.
Huh?
No, I was talking
Hey.
about alligator.
Bobby. Up. No. Hey. Up.
Okay.
Oh, God.
I chickened out.
Here, here, here.
Oh, crap.
Just
No.
pick it up, James.
No.
Yeah, let me just get it right now.
There you go.
Oh, I'm getting out of here.
Oh shit. Hey, I'm cornered over here. Where are you guys leaving me?
James, sorry, bro. Come on, this way. This way. Go towards James.
Holy God, yeah,
Get in
yeah.
there, get in there.
Get in there. Come on.
We have bigger ones on the other side. You can get the same
Careful,
shot.
your hand's in his
Yeah.
zone.
Yeah, they'll go sideways more if you go head on.
Okay.
So go head on.
I kind of like that longer piece better.
There you go. Just walk up on him. You're fine.
That was kind of scary. My heart.
You're fine. Keep going. You're
Do I need
fine.
to move
You're
my
fine.
light or?
You're fine. Nope. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah.
Trying to tap him. I missed.
Come on. Come on. You want it?
Blind man feeds Gator.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Come on. I just need that shit. I need to see those.
Nah, he's done.
Hey, no butt crack.
So much butt crack.
Okay.
So much.
There's your clickbait, though.
There you go.
If it gets him, we bury him all.
Are you doing my butt crack again? Trying to get a thumbnail, y'all
Here,
messing
let me
with my
help you
butt
out,
crack.
man. Here.
I'm all sideways.
Yeah. There you go.
Can I pet him? No.
Here, here's a piece of meat. Here. You want a piece of meat for it? Your thumbnail? Sure. That's right on the ground now. Right
That's right there.
I apologize.
No, it's all good. It takes everywhere a while.
Nope, right in front. Right in front.
Straight on.
That's it.
There you go. That's a good thumbnail right there.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh, damn it, I messed up. That's
No, you
okay,
didn't. You got it.
That was good.
Here.
Okay, I think I'm good on that.
James, what's up, man? How was that?
Oh, that was scary, man. Holy crap. That was awesome, though, bro. It was scary, but awesome.
Oh, I was ready to jump over that fence right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh.
Awesome, man. Are you
Whew. Blind guy feeding a gator, man. Wow.
at night?
Hey, Omar, do me a favor. There's like all kind of stuff on there. Hold it for me, bro. Come on.
What?
Thanks, bro.
Well, listen, in all reality,
Brian, they don't want my glove, man. I don't understand why.
Smell it.
Yeah, just take a whiff, man.
dude, what do you think about going in that boat and going out in the crowd with the gators?
I
I mean, listen, I wimped out on the zip line. You can't wimp out on me.
bro, I don't know, man.
So you're legit down to go in that boat with
Yeah.
He wants us to go in this boat, guys.
We'll feed them up a little bit. and then
Gator-infested water. Those things don't tip, do they?
I mean, that thing looks pretty sturdy. I've never seen it before, but.
Let's see. We want to see your teeth. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see your teeth. Up. No, up here. Up here. Up here. There you go.
What are you looking at? Stop looking at me like that. You're freaking me out. I'm not moving until he moves.
Make sure you don't bite your nails after.
Ooh.
Does it smell good?
Okay.
Get close to this one.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make him put his head up.
Yeah.
You're gonna throw it in.
Okay.
And somebody's gonna have to take the picture or however.
Real quick after that.
I'll do it for you.
So you should probably come.
I could probably just do it like.
Watch him.
Brian, watch.
Yep,
her.
let me just see them one minute. I'll get them back.
So somebody's gonna film it for you. Ready?
Oh, I can do it like this.
Okay.
You mean like this?
Yeah, just
Bust
do
her
it
up.
first person.
Oh, I
Bust
missed
her
it.
up.
My bad.
Up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, got it.
Perfect. Yes, perfect. Thank you. Oh, that was awesome.
Ooh,
Does
that
it
one's
look
hissing.
cool?
That was way cool. Blind guy feeding it. Got get it by hand. Oh, jeez. How's it smell?
Oh gosh, get that away from me.
Up, up.
Glenn, how's it smell?
See if he'll pop for you.
Oh no!
Alright,
Drag it.
Is the bottom yellow?
I'd drag it.
Alright.
If you want them to
God,
I'd
they
drag
want
it.
us to go in the freaking canoe in here. They're out of their minds. I'm out of my mind for thinking about it.
If they don't like the boat, which is good news for us.
That's good news for us if they don't like the boat.
The big ones like the boat.
Look at all those eyes out there. There's a bunch of them.
Oh yeah.
Gosh, we're gonna be surrounded out there.
Hey guys, we're going out. That's where we're going, guys. Right there.
We're gonna go in there?
On the other side, but yeah.
Wow.
We're gonna launch from the other side.
That's crazy. So, not sure how this went down, but Omar will not go on the kayak out there. And apparently, I'm the only one that's willing to go do this. Not sure if this is the smartest idea. They said they were gonna watch out to let me know if there's any gators following me or coming toward the boat.
It's an inflatable, dude. Like the
Yeah, it's an inflatable boat. And there's what could go wrong?
Could go wrong. It's gonna be fine. Seriously.
Savage Explorer, aka the BS Explorer. He's gonna go for it.
Bro, as long as the gator don't bite my foot or hand off, I'm fine. All right, Glenn, you want to hold my camera for me? Because I'll probably drop it in the water if I try it.
I'll keep a lookout for gators as well, man.
All right. I don't see any gators.
Is there any
in there
gators like
now.
right here?
No, there's
but
none
there's some
right
big ones over there.
Okay, all right. How do I get in this thing?
Just climb down there and I'm gonna hold it while you step in.
I don't want to fall in.
That's gonna be slippery right there.
Yeah, don't get in the algae because that's when you're gonna
The
fall.
question is, how do you sit in there?
Just, I'd go butt first.
What? Oh, great, I'm gonna fall in right.
All that.
Holy shit! Oh, God, no! Oh!
Watch out, there's a gator! Watch out!
Oh!
I jump in quick before the gator.
You're already in, dude. Go for it.
Noise, that's when they come. Oh, you're on a stick, dude.
He's sick about it here.
He's on a stick.
You guys looking for gators?
That's a sharp one, too.
I know.
He's got a hole in it now.
Bro, is there any gators over here?
Not where you are right now.
No, it's funny if I can like splash you guys right now. Like,
Hey, the splash.
oh no!
James.
I just lost my paddle screwing around.
Dude, how are you gonna get back?
Get the paddle. Hold on.
Don't use your hand.
I'm gonna have to dog this paddle. Drink, no gator.
The leg's splashing.
Yeah, I see the freaking gator.
It's super shallow right there, so be careful.
You blend in.
Where'd it go? Where'd the paddle go?
It's right there in front of you.
It's taking on water. Bro, where's the paddle?
Watch your hands when you're splashing.
Where's the paddle?
It's right there.
It's there in front of you.
6 feet in front of you, man. Just paddle.
Oh, that's not a good idea.
It doesn't work here.
Don't splash.
Well, you should be able to get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just reach.
Oh!
James! Gators! Gators!
Oh! Holy! Get us!
Gators! Gators!
Where are they? Where are they, bro? Oh God! What the fuck? Bro, that thing isn't good.
Dude, who's gonna get the boat now?
You totally
Sort of
saved
boat.
James. You're gonna have to go get it.
Dude, you gotta go get
Brian,
the boat.
you gotta swim out there and
No,
get the boat.
Brian's gotta go get it.
Oh, dude.
It's
James,
far.
you're gonna do this to me?
I swallowed that water. Is it bad?
Yeah, you're gonna die of amoeba.
Bro, watch out for this dude.
Be careful, Brian.
I can see light. I can see eyes.
I know that water's cold. And it's gonna get really deep up there.
Be careful. Oh!
I say just maybe
welcome.
get the boat in the morning or something.
He's crazy.
Be
right,
careful.
You alright, dude?
Bro,
Oh,
I'm just.
you
What?
get bit.
What? You good? Oh, I thought a freaking gator was attacking him or something. Oh, thanks for getting the boat.
James
Oh.
looks cold.
Oh, bro. Hey, Brian.
What were you doing
Hey,
out there,
what
man?
just happened? Thank you for saving me, bro. Thank you for saving me.
No.
Shout out to Brian for saving James' life.
God, bro.
I mean, he like threw his pants off with a quick.
It's really cold.
James, your
Bro,
butt crack.
that was my bad, bro.
Dude, man. Just happy. You're all right, man. Didn't want you to be gator bait,
Dude,
you know?
this thing does not float as good as a normal kayak. It's good, but it's not as good.
There's steam coming off of you.
I'm just so glad to be alive and the freaking gator didn't eat me.
Dude, you didn't even think. You just went straight out there, man.
Dude, you gotta do what you gotta do,
Shout
man,
out
you
to
know?
Brian.
Yeah, thank
Well
you.
done.
I'm not gonna let it
Well
go
done.
down, man.
Man, go and give this man some support. He done saved my life. God.
Hey, you do the same for me, right?
Yeah, I would, bro. No, I don't know. I wouldn't jump. I'll do a lot for you there. Jumping in gator water, I don't know.
You drank that, huh?
He didn't even think, guys. He just jumped right in. Shout out to him. Shout out to my boy OmarGoshTV for just sitting there watching me in the water, getting ready to get outside gators. Nah, hey, you didn't get a chance, bro. He flew in right away, bro.
It was funny. Like,
Bro, he saw me go in and like all of a sudden, like I got right about, I don't know, there, and I felt like I almost got towel. I actually fell backwards. Oh yeah, I joked around jumping in the gator thing. Oh. Guys, shout out to Gatorland. They've been great hosts. They showed us around this place. This is not a normal activity they do here, but it probably will never be after this. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out my boy Omar's video and Brian's video. Links will be down below. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Till next time. Peace. Okay, I'm cold with that. They really do have a dryer here. Yo, I thought they were legit lying and trolling me. They're like, they have a human dryer here. I'm like, yeah, right. This ain't a water park. They weren't lying. Glenn is going first, guys. That's the box.
you picked a good one for Glenn.
Oh, man, this
Oh, nearly.
Oh, it's got his mouth open. It's got his mouth open.
Oh yeah, Omar turn.